Hello everyone and welcome. I am Phil the True Tech Dad. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this guy, the Ring Video Doorbell 2. I've been wanting one of these and finally got it. We get packages to the house and we don't want some random person coming to take our packages, so we got the Ring Doorbell 2. So we're going to unbox this and see what's in here. Alright, here it is, everybody. Move out of here. There we go. There it is. The Ring Video Doorbell 2. Feels like it's made out of plastic, but they said it's going to be, weatherproof and everything else, so alright, so they said it's weatherproof, so we're gonna see about that. Let's see what else is in here. Alright, say hello to the Ring. And looks like it's just some instructions, paperwork. Looks like a little sticker you put on your window to let people know, hey, there's the Ring, watch out. Alright, what's this? Angle brackets. Alright, so you can angle it any kind of way you want. Alright, got a USB cable here, some screws, then we got this here, install tools. So let's see what's in here. We have a screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, and it's like a drill bit, some wiring, a level, so you can level the Ring bell. So what else here? We got different faceplate. So you have your silver and brownish, brown, black. It's dark, so. Extra battery. Oh no, not extra, but a battery. That's just if you have a previous doorbell, Ring bell. This is a paneling, screw paneling, so you can screw it onto the wall, and there we go. And looks like some more little tiny screws in here. Not sure what they were for yet. Use this wired and wirelessly, but it's saying even if your ring is wired, the battery is still required. So let's put this in here. It's a lot heavier when you get the battery in. Ooh, it's lighting up. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get this set up and start getting this set up for my Wi-Fi in my house, and seeing what happens here.